So, you already have the Dodge Neon grille on your Fiat Ægea or Fiat Tipo, but you want to continue the transformation even in the inside. But well, buying a new airbag is not this cheap, but there's a solution. So the cheap way is to buy a center wheel cap. This one is in 63 millimeters and it's self-adhesive and it will fit perfectly over there. And well, as you can see, we have isopropyl alcohol and a paper towel because we are going to clean the surface. So cleaning it with alcohol is important because then the adhesive will have better results. And make sure to place it in the middle. And see here the final result with the Dodge logo. Perhaps this one here is not the correct one for the Dodge Neon, but well, as you can see, problem solved. Fiat Tipo, Fiat Ægea is now becoming the easy and cheap way a Dodge from the inside.